Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. I want you to imagine just for a moment that I'm pulling up a chair right at your kitchen table today. As a cybersecurity consultant, my whole job is to look at the wild digital threats out there and help you figure out exactly what they mean for your home and your loved ones. And today, well, we have a really important topic to tackle. You've probably seen the headlines recently about something called an AI computer worm. Now, I know, that sounds like a concept straight out of some dystopian science fiction movie, right? But looking at the data today, it's actually very real. But hey, don't worry, we are going to break it all down together.
So, are your family's devices safe from AI? Listen, if your immediate reaction to that question is to feel a little anxious or your stomach just did a little flip, that is completely normal. The term AI computer worm is incredibly intimidating. It sounds invasive, and frankly, it's a bit scary when you think about all the laptops, smartphones, and smart gadgets just sitting around your house. But I want to reassure you right out of the gate, you absolutely do not need to panic. By the time we wrap up our talk today, you're going to have a rock-solid, empowering defense plan. We're going to strip away all that confusing technical jargon, look straight at the facts, and put the control right back in your hands.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Section 1. The new AI worm threat, from theory to reality.
For a long time, the idea that artificial intelligence could independently create and spread a computer worm was kind of just theoretical, just a bunch of what-ifs. But recently, researchers at the University of Toronto proved this threat has officially crossed over. It's a demonstrated functional capability now. So what exactly are we dealing with here? Well, a computer worm is simply a specific type of computer virus. But unlike those standard viruses that need you to accidentally click a bad link or download some sketchy file, a worm doesn't need your help at all. Think of it like a biological virus spreading silently through a household. One person catches a cold, and without anyone intentionally doing anything, it just passes to the next person and the next. A computer worm infiltrates a device, takes control, and then automatically uses that device to launch itself onto other devices on the exact same network, literally without any human intervention.
And that brings us to a pretty shocking reality, pointed out by lead researcher Nicola Papernaut. You don't need some multi-million-dollar underground hacking facility to pull this off anymore. He notes that it's actually possible to use simple, completely free AI models that literally anyone can download off the internet to create a computer worm. I mean, let that sink in for a second. The very tools required to build these autonomous digital threats are already being freely shared online. The barrier to entry for cybercriminals has just completely dropped through the floor.
Moving right along, let's talk about how AI fuels rapid spread, speed, and scale.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why this is such a game changer. This automated cycle is just relentless. Step 1, the AI worm infiltrates a single device. Step 2, it hijacks that device's computing power. It essentially enslaves your tablet, your computer, maybe even your smart TV. And step 3, it uses that hijacked power to launch new attacks. But here is where the AI part really kicks into high gear. Instead of relying on static, pre-written code like the older viruses did, the AI can intelligently rewrite itself on the fly. It actually learns and adapts to your specific router's security. It writes custom code in real time to crack into the next device, creating this exponential spread that moves unbelievably fast.
To put that into perspective, in the old days, launching a massive cyber attack was incredibly expensive and time-consuming. Hackers had to manually break into systems, right? They were relying on human intervention at almost every single step. It cost them major time and money. But AI worms, they change the economics of hacking entirely. Once an attacker launches an AI worm, the rest of the attack comes at literally zero cost to them. It is entirely self-spreading and self-adapting. The whole financial model has been turned completely upside down, making massive, automated attacks a very cheap reality for everyday criminals.
So you're probably asking why your family is targeted, the expanding threat.
Seriously, you might be wondering why hackers care about your peaceful household instead of, a massive corporation. I know it's incredibly frustrating to think your home is in the crosshairs. You're probably thinking, we don't have millions of dollars sitting around, why on earth do they care about our Wi-Fi? Historically, we've seen hackers hold major systems hostage. We're talking hospitals, banks, huge healthcare institutions. But the University of Toronto study points out a major shift. Attackers are now targeting everyday individuals. Why? Because every single device connected to the internet in your home is a potential launchpad. They probably don't want your family vacation photos. They want to infect your devices so they can hijack your collective computing power. They use your home to launch a massive coordinated attack against those bigger targets. Your home network is basically just their stepping stone. Because of this, the researchers made a very blunt statement, and I totally agree with it. We can no longer afford to be sloppy with our cybersecurity hygiene. It's really that simple. Society as a whole needs to mobilize against this threat. Now, the academics, they're doing their part in isolated test environments to learn and warn decision makers. But for us at home, it means the days of using password 123 for everything or constantly hitting remind me tomorrow on those software update prompts, those days are officially over. We have to take control of our digital front doors.
So, the crucial point is, your cyber defense action plan. 3 simple steps.
Okay, we've talked about the scary stuff, we understand the mechanics of how the AI worm actually works, and we know exactly why they want access to our devices. Now let's pivot to empowerment. Based directly on the advice of the scientists who actually uncovered this threat, here is your family's action plan. Step 1. You absolutely must use random passwords. No more using the dog's name, okay? Use a password manager if you have to, but make them complex and completely unique. Step 2. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Turn this on for literally everything. This means even if a worm somehow guesses your password, it still can't get in without that secondary code sent directly to your phone. And step 3, which honestly is arguably the most important, update your devices. An out-of-date device is basically just a collection of known vulnerabilities. When you ignore an update, you are leaving an open window for an AI worm to just crawl right on through. Patch those holes immediately.
Now, while you and I are doing the hard work to secure our homes, there is a much bigger battle happening behind the scenes. The researchers noted that we really need more from the industry itself. The companies actually training and building these AI models, they haven't been releasing nearly enough information about how they work under the hood. Academia is practically pleading for transparency, because if researchers have more data on how these models are trained, they can finally start building sophisticated countermeasures to stop these worms right at the source.
So, I want to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative thought to consider. You now have the tools and the knowledge to protect your family's network. You know to update your passwords, use multi-factor authentication, and keep your software patched. We are actively doing our part. But the lingering question remains. We are updating our defenses, but are the AI companies being transparent enough about theirs? It's a completely critical conversation about the future of AI safety and one that we all need to be paying very close attention to. Stay vigilant, keep those devices updated, and thank you so much for joining me for this explainer today.